In this video, we are going to walk through how to save time using Smart Reconcile to reconcile your commissions all within Travefy. So instead of sorting through spreadsheets and chasing down payments, just upload your supplier statement. Travefy will then find the matching bookings and help you reconcile commissions within minutes. To get started, select the Business Hub from your navigation bar, and then select Bookings. This is where your team's bookings, commission, and financial data are all coming together. Next, select the Incoming tab up towards the top left. This is your hub for incoming payments and Smart Reconcile activity, giving you a clear view of what's been received and what's still outstanding. If you're looking for something specific, make sure you use your different filter options as well as column options and search bar to narrow down your view. Your filter options include the archive status, payment received date, in which you can put in a custom time range, sort by supplier, and in combination, select which columns you would prioritize in this view. When you're ready to begin a new incoming payment, select New Incoming Payment over on the left-hand side. From here, you can upload your supplier statement, copy and paste the details, or always manually enter in the payment information. But this is truly where the process begins to shift. Instead of manually tracking everything, you're letting Travefy structure the data for you. So go ahead and decide which method you would like to go for before you hit continue at the bottom right. For myself, I'm going to choose to upload my supplier payment. Let's go ahead, hit continue. And now Travefy's AI tools are reading through the information that you provided, helping make sure that this process continues to be quick and effortless. As you can see, Travefy was able to pull a lot of information from what you provided. Next, you'll want to enter in your supplier's name. Start by typing them in, and they should come up for you from our verified supplier list. If they don't for whatever reason, you can always select the Add option. If you by chance have a preferred supplier list that you would like all of your advisors to pull from, go ahead, reach out to us in this live chat or email us directly at support@travefy.com, and we can help you with that request. But I see my supplier, so I'll select their name. And from here, you can customize the payment reference as well as the receive dates if needed. Once done, go ahead and hit continue at the bottom right. And just like that, Travefy was able to automatically match the supplier payment details with the bookings your team has already entered, connecting the expected commissions with those actual payments. This is really where the hours of manual work are reduced to minutes, with more accuracy and less room for human error. Now, if a booking wasn't automatically matched for a series of reasons, whereas maybe the advisor put in a name wrong or missed a digit on the booking reference number, you'll see the option when you hover your mouse over to select Match Booking. That's where you can update the information so it's corrected. If you need to make any adjustments to any of these matched bookings as well, hover your mouse over what you would like to edit, and you'll see the option to select the pencil icon. This allows you as well to make any adjustments to the information as needed. If something just doesn't belong, go ahead, click this icon to completely remove it out. But this way, you are always in control while keeping everything as accurate as possible. Once you've gone through and reviewed everything that's been matched, the last step is just selecting Finish Reconciliation at the bottom right. And just like that, we now see the updated reconciled status, which again, you can always click into to view the details. But that reconciled status also updates on your advisor's end. They have a clear understanding of the status of their commissions and bookings. But again, Smart Reconcile turns a manual, inconsistent process into something that's structured and scalable. For agency leaders, it removes the guesswork and gives you a clear pictures of your financials all in one place. While for advisors, it means fewer follow-ups and better visibility into the payment process. As always, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to use that live chat button from within your account, or email us directly at support@travefy.com. Thanks so much for watching.